So I'm gonna install a car charger for Grandma. Well, Grandma's home. One of the nurses said that she looked 30 years younger. It's kind of hilarious right there. Alright. So, alright, once you get in. Ah, God damn it. Ah, my butt. God damn it. Yeah, so. Anyway, you gotta. Fuck. Ah, son of a bitch. Yo, can you guys see me? Alright. Oh, yep. Just let some of the air out in here. It's so hot in here. So here's your car charger. All I have to do. Son of a bitch. Alright, so. Gotta get that. Fuck, my fucking finger hurts. Son of a bitch. Alright, so you take this. Alright, hang on a sec. Alright. So, yeah. So as you can tell, I gotta get a fucking flashlight. Hang on. I'm gonna get a fucking flashlight. Can't see jack shit in there. Gotta get a flashlight. Oh, here's something. There we go. This should do. Yeah. Just that. Yeah, if I can film in the dark. Is that? All right. All right. What I got? Yep. All right. So that's the. So gotta. Can't hold the camera in one hand and do it. Yep. Gotta be in that. Hang on. So all I have to do is put it. See, now I've got it. There we go. Now it's in. All right. So what I did was, all right. Hang on. Let's see. Hang on. So you gotta put it in the. Can y'all see it? You gotta flip the viewfinder so I can see it. So I can't see. So you gotta put it in the aux port of your car charger. So that's how I install a car charger. So you have to unwrap the cord using the plastic thing. There's the plastic bed that came with it, and thing I got to put it in there again. So I put in the car charger. I got Grandma. Yeah, it worked.
All right.
That's to put it in the. That's to put in the aux port in the car charger.
Show me.
So as you can tell, it says aux and it says 12 volt. You got you got to put it in the aux section of
How do you put it in?
Well, it has like a truck.
Oh, it goes in back. I thought it would go up in front.
No.
Thank you, honey.
It goes in the back. So.
Oh, good job for you.
I filmed the whole thing.
Oh, good. Thank you, honey.
No problem.
Oh.
And there's the plastic bag that came with it.
I'll just toss it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Also,
so much.
I use this as like a light or something.
I know, that's so smart. Andy, should I you turn that light off then?
What's up?
The light will go off, right?
Yeah, it'll go off once they close the door.
So Andy, I can just leave the charger in there?
Yeah, you can leave the charger in there.
Gosh, that's the first time I've ever had that.
Yeah, it's the first time.
Cool.
Besides, you never opened it to begin with, so.
Thank you very much. It's kind of expensive when they make you buy it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they charge you for something else. You know how that goes.
Yeah. Plus, it can be used for your iPhone and iPad both because
Yes.
yeah, yeah,
Not my Kindle. My Kindle's got the little round one.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
You can use it if you need it.
yeah. For future Apple products such as iPhones and iPads, it has the smaller.
Then we'll keep it in that little compartment.
Yeah, it has
Oh,
the lightning cable because it's smaller.
thank you so much.
So that's about it.
Great, great, great. Well, I learned something new. Thank you.
Yeah, for the whole thing. Thanks to me, in fact.